In this video, we'll look at how to make a 6 molar solution of hydrochloric acid, HCl, and we'll start from concentrated hydrochloric acid. A few ways to do it. The first way is when you buy hydrochloric acid, the concentrated hydrochloric acid, it might have a recipe on how to make a 6 molar, a 1 molar, 3 molar solution. You can also find that on the web. So this is from Flynn Scientific. Let's take a look at the recipe that they provided. So this file, you can find this online. The link is in the description of this video here. We have hydrochloric acid, HCl. We want to make a 6 molar solution. What that means is we'll put some water in a 1 liter flask, and then we'll add 500 milliliters of concentrated hydrochloric acid, then add more water till we get up to 1 liter. And that would give us a 6 molar solution of hydrochloric acid. You can also use recipes for 3 molar, 1 molar, and so on. And they have it for other acids, which is helpful. Here's the other way we could do this. We could use the formula M1V1 equals M2V2 because concentrated hydrochloric acid says on the bottle that it's 12 molar. And we don't know how much we need to make our solution. We're going to call that V1. Let's say we want to make our 6 molar solution, and we want to make 1 liter of that. So here we go. We can divide 12 molar both sides. That'll get V1 by itself. And then we can cancel out molar here because we have it on the top and the bottom. So we're going to take 6 times 1 divided by 12, and the units will be liters. So V1 would equal 0.5 liters. If you wanted to have milliliters, multiply by 1,000, you get 500 milliliters. That's what we found before. Probably a few other ways that you could figure out how to make a 6 molar solution of hydrochloric acid. These 2 ways, these are the ways I would do it. So there you go. This is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.